everyone, it is Dr. Carver, and today we are going to show you how to insert and remove a contact lens. If you're currently in a disposable contact lens, whether it's a monthly, bi-weekly, or daily lens, they're going to come in these little blister packs. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is wash your hands thoroughly. Be sure to do that because we don't want to transfer any bacteria or grit or grime to our contact lens and to our eye that can increase risk for infection. Be sure when you're drying your hands that you use a lint-free towel. If not, you're going to get all these little pieces of lint on your finger that's going to transfer to your contact and it's going to make your contact lens feel very uncomfortable when they're in your eyes. Okay, let's open the blister pack. When opening the pack, you just grab the side that's lifted up. Sometimes you may get squirted, but not all the time. You open up the pack just so, like this. You're going to gently tap your finger until the contact lens comes out. When you're putting in your contact lens, there is a right way and the wrong way. The right way, when you're in your tip of your finger, the contact lens should look like a bowl. If the contact lens is inside out, you will notice that the top of the lens almost looks like a saucer rather than a ball. One way that you can also test for your lenses is a taco test. If you take your lenses in between your two fingers and pinch, it should go together just like a taco. If you do it inside out, you will notice that the edges of the taco go out. It's almost like it's fighting against you. That's the incorrect way, and it will be uncomfortable if you put it in. Before you put the contact lens in, the same time that you look to make sure that it's not inside out, you want to examine the lens to make sure that there's no tears in the lens, and also to make sure that there is no damage to the lens before you put it in your eye. Okay, for now, putting the contact in. I am right-handed, and I put the contact on the index finger of my dominant hand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull down with my fingers below, and then I'm going to reach above and pull up my upper lid here towards the bone. As you can see, the contact lens goes right on. Okay, so now we have the contact lens in. Let's practice taking it out. Basically with the same concept, this time we're going to pinch it off. We know exactly where the contact lens is. It is laying over the color part of your eye, on your cornea. So when you touch it, you're not going to touch your eye, you're actually touching the contact. So it will not hurt your eyes. So to do this, to remove the contact lens, I also pull down. I have my pinchers ready. I pull up here, and then I know that that contact is straight onto the color part of my eye, and I pinch it right off. Hopefully this video has helped you with the insertion and removal of your contact lenses. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for future eye education and tips.